Trade is high. Look, update. I'm just thinking when I have to get up. Probably 5:30. I guess I could just hang around for the first hour. First half an hour. So I will hang around for the open. I've got a course on tomorrow morning. It's Saturday morning, work. Woo! Woo! Safety cars, airport. Woo! Safety. Woo! Bullshit. But fuck it. Half an hour. First half an hour. Shout out to Chad as well. I don't know if you watch my videos, man, but I'll send you it through because I'm shameless. And you know, it's good to watch my stuff because you can sort of see if I can do it, anyone can do it, because clearly, you know, I'm not really special. I'm not a savant of trading or anything. So, and I like to wear the same clothes a lot. So, interesting from XXII. So, I just wanted to make the video, look, my feelings on the market currently. And Tim made a good comment about the overall trend of things, that things are a little sheepish right now. The Nasdaq's up a great deal, and a correction might be imminent. And with the North Korea USA situation, my personal feelings on it is that it is just bluster, because Donald Trump, you know, he was just heat of the moment. He loves the media. He just can't help himself, you know. But he's going to have a team of advisors. You know, we all know how this is going to play out. North Korea, they know full well that, you know, it's not in their interest to. And then there's China, and then it just turns so ugly for him. So, you know, and is that, you know, North Korean leader, what's his name, fuckwit, you know, is he suicidal? Who knows? I mean, hopefully it doesn't come to that. My feeling though, I reckon it's like a 5% chance that something could go wrong. And it might be by accident. It might be like he's making it close to Guam, the missile launch, you know, and then it does something. And if it does, that's the problem with their actions. You know, there's a possibility of something miscalculating and hitting something, and then it get ugly. So the markets are a little indecisive, you know. It's not normal trading conditions in my opinion. So I found this one here. What about press releases? I didn't see this one, so they've made a press release here. Just looking for catalysts though, guys, but from the chart, yeah, it just sort of petered out a little bit. So they had earnings, and you know, they weren't spectacular, but that was to be expected though. And there's just been a lot of hype with the FDA and low nicotine cigarettes, and you know, they seem to be, you know, they seem to be primed to benefit a lot from this. But again, the FDA, it's just a blueprint or whatever you want to say out of it. I apologize with my jargon, is not on point, but just look at the price action and it sort of shows me that it's just going to hold sideways. I mean, you see this range here, we're trading between, you know, 216 to like 227. It's just not very exciting, and there's no real strong catalyst either. So if we review the press release, so biotech influence on cannabinoid-based drug development leading to latest clinical trials for treatments for chronic disorders. Alright, so as the biotechnology science industry continues to... Okay, so are they also specializing in cannabinoid stuff now as well? Or? This is interesting. Oh, they've just written an article. It's not an actual XXII. They've just mentioned them in it. Okay. Oh, okay. Thursday. Well, the press conference has already been. That was Friday. That would have been Friday morning. So has XXI paid these people? Quite fatigued as well. I had 5 hours sleep last night. Of course not. Interesting. So that's not really Immediately after, there may be a question. No, it's a segment. Calls, are they? Alright, so 22nd Century has not received revenues from licensing or broad commercial sales of company's propriety, which are expected to be considerable. Sale of the company's conventional products continue to grow impressively. Second quarter results show that 22nd Century is already experiencing the benefits of newly signed manufacturing agreements. Okay. All right. So it's had a good quarter, and they're semi okay. I think the market is sort of they're excited about the FDA and low nicotine cigarettes, but there's been no agreement signed. So I'm going to close this bad boy down here and just say I'm just going to watch. And I mean, really, it's just. I mean, I don't know if I'd be willing to buy this thing though. I think I looked at this yesterday already. I mean, deleted the 1 minute candles. I'm a fuckwit. Oh, that's right, 194. For me though, my psychology, it's a lot easier for me just to buy a breakout. It's very hard for me with the dip buys. I mean, if Tim's doing it, then I'm like, okay, I can manage that because he sees potential. But I mean, a 194, 190-ish bounce, because obviously, you've got to let it sort of sink in a little bit. I mean, if it goes to like 180, I might close it out. That's the problem. I just don't know how low to let it sink until, it's definitely not a bounce and it's just a crash. But I mean, there's a little bit of substance here. I see it's a little more financially stable. From what I read there, it's not a complete piece of shit company, and there's a potential, but there's just no real strong catalyst fueling thing. So I see it just trending sideways. So I'm probably going to say no trade on XXII. I'm just going to watch for the first half an hour and just soak things in, and I might watch a video lesson or two now, just from the penny stocking archive and sort of go from there, guys. So pretty uneventful. HDSN. Bigger company, again, sheepish market conditions, so but probably no trade. I mean, pardon me, sorry guys. A little bit of resistance at 9, maybe 970. But it's just there's no room to move, so I'm just gonna watch tonight, really, guys. So that's my plan, early 9, and I'll just see how the first half an hour goes. But that's my call really for XXI. I've been watching this one for a little while now, and it's interesting reading a couple of press releases out and whatnot. And what else is there? This was meant to be a quick video. I think that was something else. I might just link it in. I'm going to link it in to the Profitly update. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Hope everyone has a nice trading session. Enjoy your weekend as well. Bye.